Did you know that most travelers regret overpacking? Yet, the fear of leaving something behind makes us add unnecessary items into our bags, only to realize we barely use half of them. What if I told you there's a way to pack smarter and lighter without sacrificing the essentials? Today, we're diving into the ultimate do not pack list. Those items only add extra weight to your luggage and can turn a relaxing trip into a stressful event. Before you close your suitcase, let's make sure you're making smart packing choices. Say goodbye to unnecessary baggage and get ready to travel like a pro. Let's dive in. Number 10, clothes. Let's be honest. Overpacking clothes is one of the biggest travel mistakes. It's easy to toss in extra outfits just in case, only to realize they never make it out of the suitcase. But what if you could pack lighter, stress less, and still have everything you need? The key is versatility. Consider packing a capsule wardrobe rather than stuffing your suitcase with outfits you'll only wear once. Choose some good neutral colors like black, gray, or beige that you can easily mix and match. To add some flair, include a colorful scarf, a bold statement shirt, or a small accessory. This way, you can create various stylish looks without the extra weight in your bag. And here's the best part. You can do laundry while traveling, which is easier than you think. Pack a small sachet of detergent and you can easily wash clothes in a hotel sink or use local laundry services. If space is tight, compression packing cubes help maximize every inch of your luggage, letting you fit more without the excess weight. So next time you pack, think less about what if and more about what works. Number 9, valuables. Regarding valuables like cash, credit cards, and jewelry, a simple rule applies. Never pack them in checked luggage. Your suitcase will pass through multiple hands like baggage handlers, security checks, and even overhead compartments on crowded flights, making it far too easy for these irreplaceable items to go missing. And if your bags are lost or delayed at the airport, you could find yourself stranded without access to your money. When traveling, keeping track of your valuables is crucial. Consider taping a business card or a small note with your contact information on the back of your phone, tablet, or laptop. If that's not your style, at least jot down your device's serial number and store it in a safe place. It could make all the difference if something goes missing. It's best to store your valuables in your carry-on bag or a secure travel pouch. When it comes to expensive jewelry, family heirlooms, or luxury watches, the best choice is to leave them at home. The worst thing will be losing your luggage because airlines typically reimburse lost luggage only up to a specific limit, which often doesn't come close to covering the true worth of these cherished items. Plus, losing something irreplaceable can add a lot of emotional stress to your trip, making it less memorable. So, keep it simple and travel smart. Leave expensive items at home and choose minimalist accessories that are easier to manage and won't attract unwanted attention. The less you have to worry about, the more you can focus on what truly matters, which is creating unforgettable memories and not replacing lost valuables. Number 8, extra pair of shoes. Shoes are some of the bulkiest and heaviest items in your luggage, yet many travelers pack far more than they actually wear. It's tempting to bring extra pairs just in case, but in reality, you only need 2 or 3 versatile pairs to cover all occasions without weighing down your suitcase. Start with a comfortable pair for walking, perfect for long travel days, sightseeing, and city explorations. A well-cushioned sneaker or a sturdy pair of sandals will keep your feet happy no matter how much you're on the move. Next, a stylish casual pair is great for dining out, relaxing outings, or exploring in a more polished look. If your trip includes formal events, fancy dinners, or business meetings, you can pack a dressier option, but only if it's necessary. The key is to leave the what-if pairs behind, those extra shoes that take up valuable space but never actually make it out of your bag. Instead of overpacking, focus on versatile, multi-purpose footwear that can work across different outfits and occasions. Number 7, full-size toiletries. Packing full-size toiletries is a good idea. I understand you want to have your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and skincare products with you. Still, in reality, they take up unnecessary space, add extra weight, and increase the risk of messy spills in your luggage. No matter how tightly you seal them, pressure changes in flight can cause bottles to leak, leaving your clothes and other belongings covered in liquid. Instead of dealing with potential disasters, downsize your routine by opting for travel-sized toiletries or refillable containers. Not only do they save space and keep your bag light, but they also comply with airline liquid restrictions, making airport security checks much smoother. Plus, many hotels, rentals, and even hostels provide complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so you may not need to pack them at all. Sunscreen in particular is best purchased upon arrival. While it's an essential travel item, bringing a full-size bottle in your carry-on means TSA will confiscate it, and packing it in checked luggage risks a messy explosion mid-flight. The good news? Most destinations have plenty of big box stores, pharmacies, and local markets that carry sunscreen and toiletries, often with formulations suited to the local climate. Even hard-shell toiletry cases take up more space than necessary. Swap them out for soft, flexible toiletry bags that can adjust to fit the available space in your bag. Travel-sized toiletries and solid alternatives like shampoo bars can also help you cut down on weight and avoid spills. By keeping your toiletries simple and packing only what you truly need, you'll save space, avoid leaks, and make traveling easier and stress-free. Plus, with the extra room in your bag, you'll have space for more important things, like souvenirs from your trip. Number 6. Heavy travel guides. Carrying bulky guidebooks was once an essential travel requirement, but in today's digital age, those heavy books do little more than take up valuable space in luggage. Instead of stuffing your bag with printed travel guides, opt for travel apps, ebooks, or digital maps on your smartphone or tablet. Not only do they take up zero physical space, but they're also more up-to-date than printed materials, which can quickly become outdated. Many apps offer real-time updates, including the latest restaurant openings, current transportation options, and even live weather reports. Additionally, offline maps, translation apps, and digital travel guides give you instant access to everything you need, even when you don't have Wi-Fi or mobile data. Choosing digital means you can lighten your travel gear, keep up with the latest information, and navigate your trips more smartly, all without the hassle of carrying around heavy guidebooks. Plus, don't miss out on packing a power bank so your phone can stay charged. Number 5. Extra gadgets. Laptops, tablets, and high-end cameras may seem essential for every trip, but traveling with too many electronics can be more trouble than it's worth. These devices are not only bulky and fragile, but they also increase the risk of damage, theft, or loss, especially if packed in checked luggage. No matter how carefully you wrap your laptop in clothing, it's still vulnerable to rough handling by baggage staff. And if lost or stolen, replacing expensive gadgets while traveling can be both costly and stressful. Instead, consider what you truly need. If your trip isn't work-related, ask yourself whether a laptop is necessary or if a smartphone and lightweight tablet will suffice. Stick to the essentials. Your phone for communication, a compact camera only if absolutely needed, and a reliable power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. The fewer gadgets you bring, the less you have to worry about, and the more freedom you have to enjoy your trip without distractions. After all, the best travel memories aren't made staring at a screen, they're made by being fully present. Number 4. Pantry snacks. Packing perishable foods for a trip or a big move might seem convenient, but in reality, it's more trouble than it's worth. Fresh dairy products and meats can spoil quickly, especially on long trips, leading to messy leaks, bad smells, and even attracting pests. To avoid these issues, it's a good idea to eat, share, or donate any of these items before you leave, rather than packing them into your suitcase or moving boxes where they won't stay fresh. If you're relocating, defrost your fridge at least a week in advance and plan your meals around using up as many fresh ingredients as possible. If you still have too much, consider donating extra food to local food banks or sharing it with neighbors and friends. The same goes for pantry snacks. When traveling, stuffing your suitcase with snacks can waste your suitcase space and lessen your chance to enjoy the true flavors of your destination. Having a small snack for emergencies is smart, but packing too much food could mean you miss out on trying local delicacies, which can make your trip more memorable. Instead of sticking with the snacks, why not dive into the experience? Try new dishes, visit local markets, and let food become an exciting part of your adventure. After all, one of the best ways to enjoy a new culture is through its cuisine, and you certainly don't want to miss that opportunity. Number 3. Heavy water bottles. Water bottles are one thing you should never pack in your luggage to avoid unnecessary weight. Why weigh yourself down with a heavy water bottle when you can easily refill an empty one after security checks or purchase a new one at your destination? By not packing a water bottle, you'll save precious luggage space and avoid the hassle of lugging around extra weight. Plus, you'll reduce the risk of leakage or breakage during transit. So, ditch the heavy water bottle and travel light. Your back and your luggage will thank you. Instead, pack a refillable container or opt for a collapsible water bottle to stay hydrated on the go without the extra bulk. Number 2. Hair dryers. A hairdryer might seem like a must-pack item, but trust me, you don't need it. These bulky, heavy gadgets take up valuable space in your suitcase, and in most cases, they're entirely unnecessary. Almost all hotels, rentals, and even hostels provide hairdryers, just like they do with soap and shampoo. Instead of lugging yours around, save the space for something more useful. And it's not just hairdryers, many other things like travel irons, large power banks, and multiple chargers can also weigh you down unnecessarily. Most hotels offer irons and laundry services, so you don't need to pack these extra things with you. If you're traveling internationally, voltage differences can be a nightmare. Many personal hairdryers, curling irons, and even some laptop chargers aren't compatible with foreign outlets, meaning you risk blowing a fuse, or worse, ruining your device completely. Instead of dealing with the hassle of converters and adapters, consider travel-friendly alternatives or simply use what's available at your destination. So do yourself a favor and leave the bulky electronics at home. Your suitcase will be lighter, your trip will be smoother, and you'll have more room for the things that actually matter. And don't worry, your hair will still look fabulous. Number 1, bulky neck pillow. Repeat after me. There are better, more travel-friendly options than a standard neck pillow. While it may seem like a must-have for long flights, the extra bulk just isn't worth it. That hour of sleep you might get comes at the cost of wasting valuable space in your carry-on or personal items. Instead of carrying around a bulky, awkward travel pillow, consider a compact, inflatable, or compressible option, like the Air Comfy Ease pillow or similar ergonomic designs. These pack down small, provide great support, and won't take up half your bag. And if you're not on an overnight flight, you might not even need one at all. Sometimes sacrificing a little sleep is worth the extra space in your luggage. The same goes for heavy blankets and oversized travel organizers. While they may seem like good additions, they often end up being space wasters. Most airlines provide light blankets for long-haul flights, and a lightweight, packable travel blanket or shawl can efficiently serve multiple purposes without taking up unnecessary room. Instead of large travel organizers, opt for compression packing cubes or simple zip pouches, which maximize space without adding bulk. By choosing compact, versatile alternatives, you'll lighten your load, free up space for more important things, and make your travel experience much smoother. That wraps up today's video. We hope this do not pack list helps you travel lighter, brighter, and stress-free. Have you ever overpacked or regretted bringing something on a trip? Let us know in the comments. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to check out our next one for more travel tips and hacks. Happy travels, and see you in the following video.